Welcome to Geography class. This is the last class of the chapter number 5, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. So here we are going to see about the role of government to conserving, preserving and protecting the wildlife and the natural vegetation. Here this is the last presentation of our syllabus. After that we are going to do our revision, right? So I request all the people, so please make a note of it and copy down the question answers problem. Chapter number 5, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. In that we are on the topic number 6, role of government we will see and exercise we are going to see. Point number 1, to protect the flora and fauna of the country, the government has taken many steps. As in my previous presentation, already I have shown you about that, the importance of natural vegetation and wildlife. To conserve and to do that, the government has passed many acts. In that, Wildlife Protection Act of 1972 is very important. Right? We are going to see about few points. Right? We are seeing. So 18 bioreserve has been set up in the country to protect the flora and fauna. 10 out of these, the Sundarban, Nanda Devi, Gulf of Mannar, Nilgiri Konark, Great Nicobar, Manasipli, Pachmani, all these are the bioreserve which have been included in the world network of the bioreserve. Second point, these are the 18 bioreserve. This photograph has been taken from your textbook only. In textbook it has been shown properly. You can go through the textbook and you can see it. Then next, financial and the technical assistance is provided to the many botanical, right, gardens by the government since 1992. So these are there, right, in the cold desert like Manna. And third, Project Tiger, Project Rhino, Project Great Indian Busters and many other eco-development projects have been introduced by the government of India for the conservation, protection and preservation for our wildlife and natural vegetation. Next, 103 national park, 535 wildlife sanctuaries, zoological gardens are set up to take care of the natural heritage. All of much realize the importance of the natural ecosystem for our own survival. It is possible if indiscriminate destruction of natural environment is put to an immediate end, right? It is possible if indiscriminate destruction of natural environment is put an immediate end. The role and responsibility of us is shown here to preserve, conserve our natural environment. If natural environment will be there, so according to that, the birds and animals are also going to be saved. Next, we are going to move to discuss the question answers. First, this is the map. In the map, wildlife sanctuary, bird sanctuary and national park are being shown with the key features. You can go ahead here. Just I was talking about here. So you can see Rajadi is here, Corbett National Park is there, right? So many parks are there, Gil Forest is there, you can see it. This map has been cropped and placed here for your help purpose to make you understand. So your job is to see how many wildlife sanctuaries are there, national park are there and bird sanctuaries are present in India and where are they? Just like Manas is here, right? In us. So like that you have to see. Next, question number 1. Choose the correct answer from the 4 alternatives given below. To which one of the following type of vegetation does rubber belongs to? So tundra, Himalayas, tidal. So the tropical green forest is the correct answer. Tropical evergreen is the correct answer. Please make a note of it. Next, second question. Cinchona trees are found in the areas of the rainfall more than. So it's again a one type of forest, one type of tree present in the forest, tropical evergreen, which is having the highest rainfall. So which is the highest one? So 100 centimeter will be the correct answer. Okay. Next, question number 3. In which of the following states is the Simlipal bioreserve located Punjab, Orissa, Delhi or West Bengal. So it is present in Orissa. So Simlipal bioreserve is present in Odisha. Next, question number 4. Please have attention to question number 4. Which one of the following bioreserves of India is not included in the World Network of Biosphere, Manas Gulf of Mannar, Nilgiri and Nanda Devi? Right? I require the answers from all the students, right, of this question. Whether it is Manas or whether it is not. Whether it is Nilgiri, right? Nilgiri or Manas. So, accordingly, if we are writing the answer, Manas we are placing. If we are placing Manas, for what purpose? The textbook speaks about 1, 2, 3, 4, all are given which are connected with the world network given in the textbook. We will have discussion on this topic once more, right? In the revision part. I require your all answer. Please respond me through the WhatsApp by searching the good answer. Don't trace it from the net. Please read the chapter and get the answer to me. Okay? Next question. Answer the following question briefly. What factors are responsible for the distribution of the plants and animals in India? So already we had discussed about the relief feature and climatic condition of any areas responsible for the growth and development for the natural vegetation and the wildlife. So the answer, climatic condition, temperature we are having, humidity we are having, photoperiod and precipitation. These are there, right? In relief, land and soil, already we had seen and we have discussed in our class. Next, we are going to see about the another point. Second, what is bioreserve and give 2 examples. So bioreserve, what is bioreserve? And name any 2 bioreserve. 18 we have seen, out of them you can name any 2 of them. So bioreserves are protected area. This is done to protect the natural vegetation, wildlife and the environment, right? That's a particular area to preserve, conserve and protect. And 2 of them, Sundarban and Gulf of Mannar. You can write any 2. Name the 2 animals having the habitat in the tropical and the mountain type of vegetation. So you can write about tropical, tiger and elephant, mountain, snow, leopard. Distinguish between flora and fauna. You are already knowing about what is flora. Flora denoted to plant species and fauna denotes to animal species. So like that you have to frame your answer and you have to write. You can write more points. Plant species of a particular region is called as a flora. Animal species of a particular region is called fauna. You can add upon this. You can make your own differentiation. You can write your own points. After that, we are going to see the distinguish with the tropical evergreen and tropical deciduous forest. So tropical evergreen forest here 1 point, tropical deciduous this side 1 point. Already we had discussed these 2 topics in our class. Read the topic and make the differentiation. So the differentiation is here, like that we will short out with a small point. You can write 5 points, 6 points for each one. You can have animals also here and plants. Make 1 point more. Here also 1. These are called as rainforest. So these are called as monsoon forest. No definite time to shade the leaf. They are having the definite time to shade the leaf. Then the rainfall is the 200 centimeter and they are having the range of rainfall between 70 to 200. And they are having more than 200. Like that we have to distinguish between the 2. Name the different type of vegetation found in the India and describe the vegetation of high altitude. So these are the 5 tropical evergreen, tropical deciduous, then the thorny forest, mountain and mangrove, which we have discussed. These are the 5 types, and in the high altitude we are knowing about alpine vegetation found in the height of 3600 meter. Trees in these areas are bridge and pines. Please make a note of it. After that, we are going to see about the next question. Quite a few species of the plants and animals are endangered in India. Why? Already in this presentation only we had seen the human activities. With the help of the human activities only, what is happening? These animals and plant species are no more in the world. So increasing population, you can elaborate it. Pollution, you can elaborate it. Deforestation, you can elaborate it. And hunting and poaching is one of the threat to that. Why has India a rich heritage of flora and fauna? So a country with a diverse relief feature, availability of different types of soil, variation in the climatic condition. These are the small clues, reference point I have placed in front of you. The answer is not this much of this question. You have to frame the answer with your own knowledge. This is the answer only for the reference purpose to make you to walk on the way to reach the correct answer to write properly. Okay. So lastly, I want to tell to you migrating bird. Please see this one. Migrating birds. This is given in the textbook. You please read it. What are migrating birds? What are they? This photograph is taken from the textbook only. Then next, these are the medicinal plants. Please read this topic also. Then next, this is one activity is given from the textbook only. Please do this activity after reading. Please do it and let me know from the WhatsApp. Please take a photograph and send me on the WhatsApp you did that activity. And lastly, I want to thank each and everyone for watching this video. We have completed our syllabus. In the upcoming presentation, we are going to do the revision part, chapter wise revision we are going to do. Right? Thanking to each and everyone. Jai Hind.